Hey, ladies. Ladies, how you doing today?
Okay.
Hey, let's go ahead and bring all this. We're gonna go down to the LP office. We're gonna go have a little chat, okay? Cool?
We're gonna have a chat. Why?
Yeah, so right now, you're most likely concealing items right now that were shoplifted. So let's just go have a talk down at the LP office so we don't have to make a talk out here, okay?
Because you're being detained for shoplifting, that's why. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm...
This is how you set an example for this young lady. Have a seat.
December 17th, 2023. Winco Foods, Maricopa County, Arizona. Loss prevention flags a grandmother and her 16-year-old granddaughter concealing merchandise in purses and a hopper box. Officers respond, make contact inside the store, and one woman ends up facing 2 separate criminal charges. The real issue here is not whether shoplifting happened. It is what the grandmother did next and how fast it compounded.
Okay. So,
There she is.
Where? Oh, she's wearing black?
Yes. So she had a box in her hood, and either she just picked it up to conceal in her pants right now, but then she has something else in her bag. But there's
grandma now?
No, yeah, they've been concealing together. I don't know why they're separating all of a sudden. And there's another female, a smaller female for sure.
So would you want the items back, obviously?
Oh, hell yeah.
Then you want them trespassed?
Oh, most definitely.
Okay.
So I can show you real quick, that way. Here we go. There's grandma.
Because they haven't passed points of sale yet. Let me... What aisle is this right here?
This is frozen. This is...
Alright. Let's go make contact, and then you can chill here.
Okay, so she has something in her bag, and then again she has a yellow box. I don't know where it is. It's Health and Beauty because it's just me right now.
Okay.
She has it on her, but Grandma has a shit ton of stuff in her purse on top of her
purse. Okay. All right. Cool. I'll try to bring it back over here.
Hey, thank you.
Yep. Hey, ladies. Ladies, how you doing today?
Okay.
Hey, let's go ahead and bring all this. We're gonna go down to the LP office. We're gonna go have a little chat, okay? Cool?
We're gonna have a chat. Why?
Yeah, so right now, you're most likely concealing items right now that were shoplifted. So let's just go have a talk down at the LP office so we don't have to make a talk out here, okay?
Okay, but I think you're mistaking.
Okay. Well, if I am, then I am. So let's go have a talk.
Okay.
So go ahead and just follow me.
What about all my frozen food?
If it's a mistake, we'll get some new ones. Okay, go right, go right, go right. Ma'am, stop taking items out of the bag. Kind of a dumb move, right? We're gonna go straight to customer service. You wanna go ahead, Pablo? Just slow it down, ladies. We're gonna go, just follow this officer. All right. Sorry, I know it's kind of a tight squeeze in here. Let's close this for a second. Okay. Are you grandma? Ma'am?
What?
What's your name? Just go ahead and put your hands behind your back for a second. Why? Ma'am, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Because you're being detained for shoplifting, that's why. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Right now. No, I'm not.
Relax.
Let go of the purse.
Relax.
Let go of the purse.
Get it.
Let go of the purse. You went shoplifting, where you be holding this? Stop fighting with us.
Do it.
Stop fighting
Do it,
with
Dad.
us.
Do it now.
Stop. Don't touch the purse. Do it now.
No. Whatever you tell me to do.
No.
Here. Hold on more closer. Yeah.
No. Not about anything you also detained.
Do it, Dad.
You need another one?
Don't touch my bag.
Hey,
You're being detained.
that's you. You're saying some dumb shit.
You're saying dumb shit.
Listen, you have 3 officers and you're fighting. You're not going on now.
You're hurting my arm.
Well, you're resisting against us.
Bring it back now, or I'm going to throw you on the ground. an idiot move. Go ahead and turn around.
I have another
We're gonna
young one
have
here. I need to know where she's at.
Well, we'll figure that out after this.
Yeah, but I need to know where she's at.
After this.
She has to be safe.
After this, we're gonna have two detained.
So I'm going to read you something right now. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to the presence of an attorney to assist you prior to questioning and to be with you during questioning if you so desire. If you cannot afford an attorney, you have the right to have an attorney appointed for you prior to questioning. Do you understand these rights? Do you understand these rights? Take it as a no.
How old are you?
Okay.
16.
I'll go get it now.
Okay.
Here, back there.
Yeah. This is how you set an example for this young lady. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Say please.
I'm not going to say please to you. You disrespected us by trying to resist arrest, okay? Excuse me, detainment.
The other one. This is.
Oh, they got a young one right there?
Yeah, they have a minor.
Hey, Pablo,
Are they out with them?
can you take a look at him and just go grab him?
She's in the pet food aisle, which is aisle.
You got an
13?
associate with them? Was she involved or was she just a little?
No, she's just walking around. But I mean, if you want to bring her here, just in case.
Pink Crocs, black shirt.
You walk up the door, make a right, go down that center aisle, you'll see her. I was just gonna like talk and stuff like that, but I figured again, if she's stealing with her children or minors or whatever, you're gonna be problematic anyway. Did you get scared of the buzzball? You don't want the buzzball no more?
Who are you talking to?
Come on.
You.
Thank you.
I don't.
What's up, son?
You didn't want the buzzball no more?
I said I didn't take no food. Well, they're gonna talk.
Okay.
All right. What's your name? What was that? Beth.
Oh, I forgot. She took the booze. My bad. I made a mistake.
Okay, let me get your bag over here, okay?
What the hell, Beth? I'm so sorry.
It's not personal. It's just you took alcohol.
understand, you can explain it a little bit more.
She took alcohol.
I did not know that.
She was right next to you.
I did not know that though.
Okay.
I was shopping through the store myself
Listen,
trying to get
I'm not judging
groceries
you, but whoever
And
this
I
is, your
know I'm
grandmother,
probably wrong.
I believe, right?
for having that stuff
Okay.
in my purse.
She just kind of ramped things up for a second, okay?
But I
So I'm
wasn't
just trying to
stealing
get the full
anything
story here.
like alcohol or anything.
She was.
I wasn't aware of it.
She was right behind you when.
But I wasn't aware of it. I didn't see her
It's fine.
do
We're
it.
going in circles.
Okay, just real quick, let me read
Is
this.
there any way we can separate the juvenile here with her back to the cameras?
Yeah, I can talk. You can separate. Yeah.
Okay.
Just so we can clearly like speak with her because it's grandma's talking, she's talking.
Yeah, we're okay.
Oh, you're right. We're gonna talk over here.
You have her as a granddaughter. She has a disability.
Okay, well,
our
And
partner's
she's
with
gonna
her.
really get freaked out.
the officer is with her right now, and she's fine. Come on, Beth.
That first chair is fine.
Okay.
Just because we have so much talking going on.
Yeah.
I don't blame you.
If you do not
I
have
didn't know
money,
she
you
was
have the
taking
right to have
alcohol.
an appointment for you prior to questioning.
I had no clue.
If you do not have the money,
Did my partner get your name by chance?
one will be given to you for free or
No.
free of charge
Okay, what's your name?
before you question or before you are questioned. Do you understand this, right?
The moment the grandmother grabbed her purse and physically pulled away from officers is the legal hinge of this encounter. Under Graham versus Connor, the Supreme Court held that force must be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective on the scene. The underlying offense here is a nonviolent misdemeanor under Arizona Revised Statutes 13-1805. That statutory ceiling directly shapes how much force was proportionate, and it limits the analysis significantly. While the resistance elevated what officers could lawfully do in the moment, it also triggered a second criminal count that the grandmother would not have faced at all by simply staying still. That distinction matters.
Ma'am, at this point, you don't have a choice.
So like we told you, you're detained for the crime of the shoplifting, concealment. Then you resisted with us and tried to grab the bag. So what is your name, ma'am?
You understand each.
You have to legally give it to me at this point, or I will charge you.
And if you hinder an investigation, you're just going to add an additional charge to the charges you already have.
Yes.
It's Jane.
James?
Jane.
Jane? What's your last name? We're going to finish the investigation, and depending on if anyone else can pick up, especially the little one, you're going to go down to our booking facility and get processed for shoplifting.
All of us?
Yes or no?
Even the little one?
Not her, unless she was shoplifting.
No, we're gonna have somebody come pick her. Who do you have at home that could come pick her up?
Possibility exists that in case maybe.
Probably her mother.
Okay, let's call her mother. Let's find the name and number.
You may get more.
Okay. So, which purse was yours, ma'am?
Mary Beth.
The blue one.
The blue one. And this was all in the blue purse, correct?
As far as I know.
How did this get into your purse?
How you spell it right there?
I really don't know.
To be honest, you made it worse for yourself when you resisted and did not just relax your arms to let us put the handcuffs on you. When you grabbed the purse and you resisted the whole time with us, that made it way worse for you. We were just going to put you in handcuffs, detain you just like this, nice and easy. So most people, if they're innocent, they're like, cool, fine, handcuff me. If we have the wrong person, we release them, right? Someone who feels guilty, they fight with us. Or someone who's dealt with this in the past, who has
I have
needed
never
confrontation.
dealt with this in the past. I have never had anything like this happen to me. And I'm telling you, I don't know how that got in there.
Okay.
I was going to the store shopping. I have a cart full of food to buy.
Okay.
And they came up to me and said that we had to come in here because there was a possibility of some shoplifting going on. I didn't know. I was walking through the store looking at stuff and everything, and some points I walked away from my purse. Look at your cameras. I don't know how it got in there.
Okay. And was your purse in that little seat area the whole time, or
It
was it
was
somewhere
in the
else?
little seat area, yes.
Okay. How long would you say that you lost visual of your purse throughout your whole time?
I don't know. I was looking at stuff, trying to see, check prices and figure out what I was going to get. And probably at some points it might have been for a little while. But
What would you
Beth was there by my purse, so I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, technically, she's done stuff. Except for what she was doing. I had no clue she was stealing alcohol. I don't even know what that shit is. Like I said, I don't drink.
Okay. Did you see her at any point put stuff in her purse?
I did not.
It sounds like when they were trying to detain you, you were saying, just do it, just do it. What were you referring to?
Just do it.
The store.
I don't remember.
Do it now, do it now? Were you saying something like, do it now, do it now? Yes.
What were you telling her when we were putting handcuffs on you? And we kept telling you, no, don't do it.
What will happen most likely is that.
What was I telling her? I don't even remember. I really don't.
Was it in reference to going to the car?
No.
Because that was mentioned.
That's what she said, but I'm like, no, what are you talking about? Go to the car for what?
Was it in reference to grabbing the purse from the cart from my hands?
No.
Honest with me about everything.
Okay. Do you understand how this isn't really adding up to us? When we have video evidence, and then you're resisting arrest with us to detain you for shoplifting, for concealment?
Video evidence of what?
Shoplifting.
Resisting?
No, that wasn't here. Shoplifting is also considered concealment, not just all past points of sale.
You have video surveillance that I was shoplifting.
Yes, that's
Putting
why we got
stuff
called
in
here.
my own purse.
That's why we got called here, yes. I'm not lying to you. I wouldn't lie to you about that. Okay.
Em, have you ever been caught shoplifting in Winco before?
Never.
Can I have your last name?
You took the chocolates and you put them in your bag.
M-C-E-L.
Which bag is yours?
M-C-E-R.
The Tinkerbell bag? Okay. Okay. What else did you put in your bag?
No matches, also. Do you have a middle name?
That and the buzz ball.
The buzz ball?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but do you have a middle name or no? Jane?
What is that, like a alcohol drink?
Legal first name.
Yeah.
Why are you stealing alcohol? You're 16.
Can you spell that for me?
A-R-M-I-N-E-R.
It's okay.
James
Just relax.
Do you have address?
Do you have anything else on you right now?
Is
You do?
Yeah, I do.
That's from the store?
Oh, I know you guys called me. You said my daughter was stealing. So,
Camera's
like, is
on.
my mom being
Camera's on.
arrested because my daughter was with her?
So she actually was concealing in a purse as well, so it was separate events at the same time, if that makes sense. So she had stuff in her purse, and then there was stuff in another purse.
There is surveillance for concealing as well. She admitted to concealing.
Okay. Because
So-
I sometimes, personally me, I'm not trying to make excuses for anybody else. Sometimes when I don't have a cart in my hands or full, I'll put stuff in my own bag, but I'll pay for it when I get to the counter.
Yeah, I know. She said she was shoplifting, and obviously you can extrapolate from that with grandma. Obviously, I can't talk about that, but you can kind of take it from there and your own imagination about it. But so what's going to happen tonight is that she's going to be taken to Durango, which is downtown. Hopefully, she'll learn a lesson from that.
Talking about my daughter.
Yes. So here's the deal, man. Even if she was doing what you're saying, which is not too consistent with the average citizen.
I'm just saying I have personally done that.
Right, but when you walk past all points of sale,
oh, okay.
What's your intention? You pass the registers. You're about to walk out. What's your intention?
She also had some alcohol with her.
She had a buzz ball.
Yeah, that was in her purse. I don't know what her intentions were with that. I mean, I'll let you decide that as a mother and how you want to go about discipline. If you're going to discipline, that's all how you want to go about it. But that's what we found.
Okay.
But yeah, it's however you want to parent.
So that's all she was taking was alcohol. What else?
And there was some candy. She said that was for her grandpa. But I here's the thing. She's with grandma.
Yeah.
And obviously it's allowed behavior because, again, you can kind of go from there about what was going on with grandma. But I mean, this is something that I'm sure you know your mother better than anyone.
I do, and I don't know why my mom would do that. That's the thing. Like, she has her Social Security. She lives with me, and she doesn't have to pay any of the bills there. I mean, she buys food and stuff on her Social Security to help out, but I mean, I make plenty of money to pay all the bills there and let them pretty much keep their Social Security checks. So I don't know why she would do that.
Couldn't tell you.
On the legality of the initial stop under Terry versus Ohio, reasonable, articulable suspicion is the threshold, not probable cause. Trained loss prevention personnel directly observe the concealment and relate it to officers in real time. That satisfies Terry with room to spare. Still, reasonable suspicion is a low bar by design. It means this detention was lawful from the first contact, not that the underlying evidence was strong enough to guarantee a conviction. Under Arizona Revised Statutes 13-1805, concealment inside the store with intent to deprive the merchant is the legal threshold. Passing the register is not required under Arizona law. That said, intent is still a required element the prosecution has to prove. The grandmother maintains she had no knowledge items were placed in her bag, and that specific defense creates a real factual dispute for a jury. On Miranda, the officer read the warnings correctly after the grandmother was handcuffed. The problem is she never clearly confirmed she understood, and questioning continued regardless. Under Miranda versus Arizona, a waiver must be knowing, voluntary, and intelligent. Without a clear acknowledgement from the subject, statements obtained in that window carry a suppression risk that any competent defense attorney will pursue. Arizona Revised Statutes 13-2412 requires a lawfully detained person to truthfully state their name when asked. Under Heibel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, that compelled name disclosure alone does not violate the Fifth Amendment. That said, the obligation ends at the name, nothing further. In a stop and identify state like Arizona, knowing you must provide your name does not mean you are required to answer any other question. The officer's initial contact was measured, non-confrontational, and grounded in reasonable suspicion throughout. Force escalated only after active physical resistance, which tracks with what Graham versus Connor requires. The post-arrest comment was unprofessional, nothing more. The grandmother had every legal right to deny the allegations and stay silent. What she did not have the right to do was physically resist a lawful detention. And that decision alone added a separate criminal charge to her situation. The granddaughter stayed physically cooperative throughout the encounter, but she voluntarily admitted to intentional shoplifting without invoking her right to remain silent and without a parent or attorney present. In Arizona, concealment with intent anywhere on the premises satisfies Arizona Revised Statutes 13-1805. You do not need to reach the exit, and under Arizona Revised Statutes 13-2508, physical resistance during a lawful detention is a separate criminal offense. The remedy is compliance, then court. Juveniles carry the same Miranda protections as adults. Answering questions without a parent or attorney present, regardless of age, is a serious and avoidable legal risk. Let us know what interaction or topic you want covered next. Thank you for watching.